Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Today is Friday. News Movement team has brought something different for viewers. It includes benefit of guava, facial care and poem in English, Bangla and Hindi. Coronavirus is decreasing as per report of the health ministry, but there remains fear of third wave. It needs only precaution. Keep physical distance, use mask, clean your hands and use sanitizer. Try to be vaccinated at the earliest. Novel coronavirus COVID 19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care @rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. We are presenting about benefits of guava. Benefit of guava, immunity booster. Did you know guava are one of the richest source of vitamin C? It's true. Guava fruit contains 4 times the vitamin C content present in organs. Vitamin C helps improve immunity and protects you against common infection and pathogens. Moreover, it keeps your eyes healthy. Second, lower risk of cancer. Lipocaine and quercetin vitamin C and other flavonoids act as potent antioxidant which neutralize free radicals generated in the body, preventing the growth of cancer cell. Guava fruit has shown to be widely successful in reducing prostate cancer risk and also inhibit the growth of breast cancer cell since it is rich in lycopene. Diabetes friendly. Due to rich fiber content and low glycemic index, guava prevent the development of diabetes. While the low glycemic index inhibits a sudden spike in sugar level, the fiber content ensures the sugar level are well regulated. Heart healthy. Guava fruit helps improve the sodium and potassium balance of body, thereby regulating blood pressure in patients with hypertension. Guava also helps lower the level of triglycerides and bad cholesterol LDL, which contribute to the development of heart disease. These magical fruits improve of the good cholesterol HDL. Treats constipation. It's one of the richest source of the dietary fiber in the comparison to other fruit, and just one guava fulfills about 12% of your daily recommended intake of fiber, which makes it extremely beneficial for your digestive health. Guava seeds, if digested whole or chewed, serve as excellent laxative to helping the information of health bowel movement. Improves your eyesight. Due to the presence of vitamin A, guava is well known as a booster for your vision health. It can not only prevent degradation of eyesight but even improve eyesight. It can help slow down the appearance of the character and macular degeneration. Even though guava are not as rich in vitamin A as carrot, they are still a very good source of nutrition. Guava during pregnancy. Guava benefit pregnant women too as it contains folic acid or vitamin B9, which is recommended for pregnant women since it can help or developing the baby's nervous system and protect the newborn from nutrition disorder. Beast toothache. Guava leaves have a potent anti-inflammatory action and powerful antibacterial ability which fights infection and kills germs. Thou, consuming guava leaves work as a fantastic home remedy for toothache. The juice of guava leaves has also been known to cure toothache, swollen gums, and oral uncles. Stress booster. The magnesium present in fruit is responsible for one of the many benefits of guava, help to relax the muscle and nerves of the body. So after a hard workout or a long day at office, a guava is certainly what you need to relax your muscle, combat stress and give your system a good energy boost. Good for your brain. Guava contains vitamin B3 and vitamin B6, also known as the nation and representatively, which helps in improving blood circulation to the brain, stimulating cognitive function and relaxing the nerves. What to seed? A few pounds. Guava is just a ticket without compromising your intake of protein, vitamin, and fiber. Guava helps you lose weight by regulating your metabolism. It's a win win. Guava makes for a very filling snack and satisfies the appetite very easily. Guava, especially raw guava, also has far less sugar as compared to apples, orange, grapes, and other fruits. Cough and cold. Guava has one of the highest quantities of vitamin C, iron among fruits, and both are proven to be preventive against cold and viral infection. The juice of raw and immature guava or a decoction of guava leaves is very helpful in relieving cough and colds in its heel.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th स्टूडेंट get up to 50% scholarship for session 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434
There is a need of facial care for everyone in this area of modernity. If anyone you have something special, you may WhatsApp in details on 9563830285. Facial care. Many workers in place such as salons, restaurant, retail store and in healthcare wear masks throughout their shifts during COVID-19 pandemic. The CDC recommended wearing cloth masks in the public to help reduce the spread of coronavirus by people who have COVID-19 but don't realize it. But as a helpful as it mask use can lead to chaffing of the skin on the bridge of your nose, chin, cheeks and even behind the ears. Some people develop itching or rashes. Swiftly or damp condition under the mask can lead to acne breakouts. To ease these complications of mask wearing during the COVID-19 pandemic, adopt a regular skin care routine. Cleanse and moisturize your face before and after using a mask. Use product labeled non-comedogenic, which means they won't clog skin pores. Don't use product with petroleum through. Petroleum is a common ingredient in heavy duty creams and ornaments such as petroleum jelly. It can get in the way of the mask function, especially N95 masks. If your skin tend to be on the oily side, go for a water soluble moisturizer. Use a barrier ointment or bandage to prevent or relieve skin injuries caused by pressure or friction from mask. A thick layer of zinc oxide can smooth or protect skin. Zinc oxide is a skin protect often used for depier rash or severely chapped skin. Use it on the bridge of your nose or behind your ears. You can also try placing a bandage between the skin pressure point and the mask. Ask your doctor or pharmacologist about bandages or dressing that provide cooling relief and conform to the skin while still allowing for appropriate mask use. Is blister. If blister from, keep it clean and apply antibiotic ointment. Use a bandage to create a protective barrier between the blister and the mask. Treat acne. If you develop acne, cleanse your skin regularly. Use a water soluble moisturizer. Look for acne treatment product and contain retinol, benzoic peroxide and salicylic acid. Also avoid popping or squeezing pimples which can contribute to inflammation and infection of the area. Urgent requirement TVS Hero Motocrop Limited, Neemrana, Rajasthan, Hero Chowk. All the salary benefits and all the company benefits were given here. The age limit is 18 to 25 only, and you can give your resume to this given WhatsApp number. Now it's turn of poem. Let us hear poem. Lincoln. Life was always fast paced. We never slowed down until everything stopped when Corona come to down. Now all is quiet. There is a peace all around. We have locked in our hearts and kindness we have found. We learn now with mom this is a few feature, but we can't wait to get back our teacher. I miss see cadets. School, my friend and my dad. I miss sharing the fun times that makes me sad. We had social distancing picnic, social distancing walk, social distancing hug, and social distancing talks. I am looking forward to getting away to the beaches, the hotel, and perfect holiday. When it is, I will throw my arms open wide and shout to the world we can all go outside. Don't give up hope. The end is in sight. If we all stick together, we all win this fight. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.